It's like
it looks terrible underneath.
it do?
Yes, look at that.
Welcome to the Lazy and Lock channel. If you're new here, welcome. Comment down below where you're watching from. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I know why you're here. You're here because you want to know about them do-it-yourself, waist-long, knotless micro twists. So I got some good news and I got some better news. The good news is I'm not going to show you how to do it. But the better news is my sister's going to show you how to do it, and I have all the details about it in this video. So as you saw in the title, this is actually a promotional video. I'm promoting my sister's video that she made on her do-it-yourself knotless micro twists that are SISTERLOCK inspired. So as you can see, I have SISTERLOCks, and she actually did a process on her hair where she achieved these beautiful, stunning, long flowing micro twists. And she, you know, took her time to do it. And I have a clip of that right here. So here she is. She is.
No, we can't.
Don't worry. Huh?
It says poor connection on my end. Hold on, let me go back into the room where it's better service.
We have a do-it-yourself. A do-it-yourself. What would you call this?
Do-it-yourself, two-strand twist.
Two-strand twist. Micro.
But the point is to make it look natural, like not like you just want it to look natural.
Right.
So like this is the knotless two-strand twist.
Oh, the knotless. This is the knotless two-strand twist. And how many you have right now?
Right now I have 66.
66. Are you doing it section by section?
Ah, man. Fake section by section, yes.
Fake, right. So you probably... So...
But what I could say is that I've done like two sections. So my first section was 30 and then my other section was 36, which is what I did this morning, the 36.
36, all right.
I was supposed to do a video about that too, but...
You could still do a video.
They'll do a video on that.
Do a video so I can feature you and you could... No, do a video though. You should. Yeah. So how many days do you think it's going to take you to do that? And how long are you doing it? Like, how long?
They're long, so I'm just going off of like... I'm not cutting it. It's just one... I'm staying true to the length. I got the 16-inch pack. But, you know, when it's stretched, it's longer.
Right.
So it comes like, you know, like down to the waist.
Wow.
A little bit longer, so.
Wow, and my battery died. Oh, So that was the clip of her doing her hair. She went through a process. I was on FaceTime with her and she was doing a thing. You know what I mean? She was doing a thing and she said that she wanted to make a video about it. And I encouraged her to make a video because I know that there's so many people out there who have a thought about SISTERLOCKs or microlocks, but they don't know if they really want to commit to it. So she has all the details in her video. You could just look down in the description box and find her video, link it there and go to her page. She is actually a cosmetologist, so she does hair for a living. She does all different types of styles. I mean, my sister is very inspired by the natural Afrocentric look, but she pretty much achieves like her style mimicking like the natural looks that most sisters have, which is like froze. She does faux locks. She does a lot of natural styles and it comes out beautiful. She has this other hairstyle that she does. I don't know if it's faux locks, but it's like twists. I don't know. Maybe she'll make a video about it. But anyway, go over to her channel, watch the video. She has all the details on what she did. If you are going to her channel from here, make sure you comment that your sister sent me just to show some sisterly love to her. And, you know, just give her some love. So if you like this content, it's not much, it was just a promotional video, but if you like this content, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you really like this content, make sure you go and subscribe and keep a lookout for future videos. I think my next video is going to be my wash routine. I don't know, but You gotta subscribe and stay tuned to see what the video is. So thank you again for watching. Make sure you comment down below where you're watching from if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.